Hello? Is anyone home? I have something important.
I'm in the living room. What's going on?
Mom, I got a big science project. It's due on Monday.
Monday? Tom, today is Friday.
I know. We have the whole weekend. That's plenty of time.
Build a working model that demonstrates a force of nature, wind, water, or electricity.
Yeah, it's not that hard. We just need to build something that, moves, or spins, or something.
Tom, this is not a small project. They want a working model, a written explanation, and a live demonstration. All of that by Monday morning.
Okay, so it's a bit more work. But we can do it, right?
Yes, we can do it. But Tom, we need to start today. Right now.
Hey everyone, I'm home. Something smells good. Are we cooking? Build a working model that demonstrates a force of nature. This is an engineering project. Wind turbine. We'll need wood, some wire, maybe a small motor. I've got tools in the garage. This is going to be incredible. First, we build the base. Nice and solid. Then we attach the arms, 3 of them, at equal angles. Then the motor goes in the middle.
What's happening? Why is everyone in the kitchen?
It's my science project. Dad wants to build a wind turbine.
Excuse me. Has anyone actually read page 2?
I read the main part. The instructions are pretty clear.
No electrical components.
No electrical components. Okay. No motor? Fine. We still build a wind turbine. Just with wood and sticks. It can still spin.
I think a water cycle display is better. I can draw it tonight. We use cotton wool for clouds, painted cardboard for the mountains.
That sounds like an art project, not a science project.
It demonstrates the water cycle. That is a force of nature. That is exactly what the assignment asks for.
Can I say something? I had an idea before. I was thinking about a water wheel.
Tell them. What kind of water wheel?
A small wheel made from a plastic bottle and cardboard. You pour water over it, and it spins. It shows how moving water creates energy. And everything is recycled.
A water wheel. That's simple.
Simple can still be good.
We can come back to that idea. Let me just write down what we need for the water cycle display first.
I'm going to the hardware shop. I'll be back in 30 minutes.
What exactly are you going to buy?
Just a few things. Wood, some wire, maybe a couple of small parts. Nothing big.
Dad, the instructions say recycled or everyday materials. Remember?
Wire is an everyday material. Wood is completely natural. We're fine.
He's gonna come back with a lot of stuff. Isn't he?
Okay, I got everything we need.
That is a very large box.
Strong glue. Electrical tape. And one small motor.
Dad, that is an electrical component.
It's very small, though. I think small motors might be allowed.
No electrical components of any kind. That includes motors, batteries, and light bulbs.
Fine. We don't use the motor. Everything else is still useful. Let's start building.
Right. First, we build the base. Nice and flat, nice and solid.
Tom, hold this plank for me, please.
Okay. I'm holding it. What are we actually making?
A wind turbine. I told you. 3 arms, equal spacing, spins in the wind. It'll be perfect.
I've also started sketching the water cycle display. I think we should discuss which approach is stronger before we go any further.
That's great, Uma. Very nice drawings. But we're already started here, so...
They are both doing completely different projects right now. I know. And nobody has asked me what I think since yesterday. Okay, a wheel. Water flows over it. The wheel spins. That is how water creates energy.
What do you think? It's really coming together, isn't it?
It's very tall. Dad, where is Tom?
He went upstairs a while ago. He's probably just taking a break. He'll come back.
Tom? Can I come in?
Yeah, come in.
Nobody is going to listen to me. Dad is already building something downstairs. Then we explain it better. Together. Walk me through it. How exactly does the water wheel work? Okay, so the wheel sits in a stream, or we pour water over it. The water hits these paddles. The paddles push the wheel. The wheel spins. So the moving water transfers its energy into the wheel. That's the force of nature, the force of flowing water. Yes, exactly that. And it's all recycled. The wheel is a plastic bottle. The paddles are cardboard. The frame is just 2 sticks. And it fits all the rules. Recycled materials. No electrical parts. It works by itself. Tom, this is the right idea. I just don't know how to make them listen. Leave that part to me. Come on, let's go back downstairs.
3 arms, equal angles. Beautiful.
The clouds need to be a little higher. And maybe one more river on the left side.
Just gonna test the aerodynamics. Quick test. Completely controlled.
Alan. That took me 4 hours.
I know. I'm sorry. I didn't think the arm would...
Just... give me a few minutes, please.
What happened to the turbine? Give Mom a minute. Come and find Dad first.
I broke your mother's display. I wasn't being careful enough.
Is she very upset?
Yes. She worked very hard on it.
Okay. We still have Sunday. We still have time. But Dad, we need to start over. And this time, we need to listen to Tom.
I should have listened to Tom from the beginning.
You weren't the only one. I didn't listen to him either.
One plastic bottle. 4 cardboard paddles. 2 sticks. A rubber band. That's all it needs. Tom, it says marks are also given for the presentation, explaining how it works to the class. Are you okay with that part?
Speaking in front of everyone is harder than building it.
But I think I can do it if I really understand what I'm explaining. Then that's what we do tomorrow. You build it, and you explain every single step out loud as you go. This is my idea. A water wheel. I've been working on it since yesterday.
Plastic bottle, cardboard paddles, 2 sticks, rubber band. Oh.
All recycled materials. Nothing electrical.
When you pour water over the paddles, the wheel spins. That demonstrates the force of flowing water. It's simple and it works.
Tom. Why didn't you say something earlier?
I tried. On Friday evening. And again on Saturday morning.
You're right. I wasn't listening. I'm sorry, Tom.
I wasn't listening properly either. I was too focused on my own plan. I'm sorry.
Here are the sticks. I measured them, both exactly 30 centimeters.
Perfect. Thank you, Dad. Okay, we start with the wheel. The bottle becomes the center. We cut 8 equal slots around the middle, and the cardboard pieces go into each slot as paddles. The paddles are angled so when the water hits them, it pushes the wheel in one direction. If they were flat, the water would just splash off, and the wheel wouldn't spin as well.
Angled paddles. Water pushes in one direction. Wheel rotates.
Okay, water hits the paddles, paddles push the wheel, wheel spins.
Well done, son.
Oh, Tom. It's beautiful.
I knew it would work. It just needed water. That's all it ever needed.
Good morning. Whenever you are ready, Tom.
Good morning. This is a water wheel. Everything you see came from our recycling bin at home. I built it from a plastic bottle, cardboard, 2 wooden sticks, and a rubber band. Everything you see came from our recycling bin at home. Moving water carries energy.
When that energy hits the angled paddles, it pushes the wheel in one direction.
The wheel spins. That is the force of nature, and that is what this model demonstrates.
Tom, did you build this yourself?
Mostly. Hi. But my family helped. It was a team effort.
B+. That's a very good grade.
She said the explanation was excellent. She took 1 mark off because the label card had a spelling mistake.
That was my label card. I spelled continuous with an E. I'm so sorry, Tom.
Mom, it's 1 mark. And we still got a B+. It's fine. Mom, you're a teacher.
She's right. You are literally a teacher.